Hello, this is Steve Thoele, Principal Broker with Premier Property Group, and bringing you another quick update on the Tigard Oregon real estate market. This update is going to cover the last 6 weeks of market activity, ending this past Sunday, February 6th. So I'm going to share my screen with you now and go through some info with you. First off, we'll look at the active listings. You'll see we had a high of 39 here about a month ago. This last week came in at 31 homes actively on the market as of the end of the week, up about 3 from the prior week. The blue bars represents new listings every week. So you'll see last week we had 18, which is down just a bit from where it's been the past 2 or 3 weeks. Median list price and days on market for the actives, you kind of see it had been kind of steadily increasing. But this last week came down quite a bit from the week prior, ended at 545,000 for these 31 active listings as of the end of the week. And then days on market has come down a lot. We were close to about a month of market time here at the beginning of the year when things were slower. And then as all these new listings have kind of come on the market, days on market's kind of dropped way down to, this last week, right around 9 days. So, things have not been on the market for very long. Pending sales, you'll see it's been last couple of weeks very steady. 118 homes in pending status last couple of weeks that have been climbing from where it was about a month ago. This last week we had 15 homes went into pending status. That's down from the prior couple of weeks. Median price and days on market for those pendings, you'll see we had a low of about 563 here about 5 weeks ago, got up to 608. It's fallen back a little bit last couple of weeks, right at 600,000 this last week was the average pending price. And the days on market, you'll see we had a high of 13 here about a month ago, and last couple of weeks it's been closer to 6. So things that have been going pending has been going pending very quickly. And then lastly, we'll look at the sold activity. You can see that's kind of been decreasing over the past 6 weeks. We had 89 sales recorded 6 weeks ago. This last week was 59. And this always looks back over the prior 4 weeks. So we had 59 closings over the prior 4 weeks of activity. And the blue bars again represents new sales. So at the time I recorded this, we had 12 closings recorded for last week, and that's kind of in between of where it's been over the past couple weeks, or past 6 weeks, I should say. Median sold price and days on market, you can kind of see over the past month it's been kind of steadily climbing. It was higher a little longer ago, 595, and then it dropped to around 550, 560, 565 this last week. Days on market been pretty consistent except for one little blip here, but right around 5-6 days of average market time for the homes that have been selling. And then to finish up here, we'll look at the weeks of inventory and sale price as a percent of the OLP, or original list price. The red bars represent the week of the inventory. You can kind of see we started off at just a little over 1 week of inventory, and then it's basically kind of climbed up to just about 2 weeks of inventory. So things obviously still turning over pretty quickly in the market. Not a lot of standing inventory, and still very competitive out there. And that's represented on this last piece, the sale price as a percent of the original list price. You can basically kind of see over the past 6 weeks, everything has been selling for over asking, or at least on average has been over asking. And it's climbed up to almost 3% premium over the list price on average for the homes that have been selling here lately. So still super competitive out there, and points to very much still a seller's market environment. So to get a better look at the updates, you can click the link or button below the video, and it'll take you to my website. And from there, you can check out the update in more detail. And then below that, be sure to check out my buyer and seller guides, which I've got linked in there, that you can download if you're thinking about buying or selling a home. It's got some great information, great resource for you to check out. Hope this update's been helpful to you. If so, I always appreciate any likes, comments, and shares that you might have. And if I can answer any questions or be of any help, always happy to do that. So please don't hesitate to reach out, give me a call, or send me a message, and I would be happy to help. So thanks for watching, and make it a great day.